So number 17. The mass spectrometer can be used to measure mass of an atom. So take note. So mass spectrometer is used to measure the mass of an atom. So it's just an objective. Choose answer. So for the first one, the answer is A. Now for number 18. Find the number of neutrons in an atom present represented by x 45 and 21. Take notes of this. So this is a mass number, and this is atomic number or proton. So number of proton. So that is any number you have here is mass number. So any number you have here is atomic number or the proton. So for an element, atomic number is the same thing as number of proton. So that means the mass number is 45 and atomic number is 21, just like number of proton for an element. So now general formula that relates this is mass number is equals to proton, that is number of proton, plus number of neutron. So take note of this as general formula. So mass number is number of proton plus number of neutron. So now what is now number of neutron? Number of neutron will be equals to mass number minus number of proton. That is, take this one to the other side. So we are looking for neutron. So number of neutron is mass number minus number of proton. Now based on what you have here, so anytime you have this, so any number is here is mass number. The number of proton or atomic number is 21. So mass number is 45. Number of proton is 21. So 45, 21. So according to this formula now, number of neutron. So neutron is equals to mass number minus number of proton. So that means mass number 45 minus 21. So neutron is 45 minus 21. So that is 24. So that means the number of neutron is 24. So the correct option is B, 24. So that is the second one. So the correct option is B. Now the third one. We have, what is the mass of magnesium? Number 19. What is the mass of 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 24 atoms of magnesium? So what is the mass of this means we want to find the number of atoms of magnesium. We want to know it in gram. So remember, I told you that always start with what you have. So now we want to go from 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 24 atoms of magnesium. So we are going to grams of magnesium. So how can I remove these atoms of magnesium? So I know that 1 mole of magnesium is equals to 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23 atoms of magnesium. So that atoms of magnesium will cancel out, times. Now how can I remove this mole to gram? So 1 mole of magnesium is equals to 24 gram of magnesium. So it's given here 24 gram. So mole of magnesium will cancel mole of magnesium. So remember, everything here should be on the same line, but because of space, so let me show you. It should be like this, everything should be on a row, but because there is no space, so I have to bring it down. So take note. So that means this will cancel, so it remains 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 24 times 24 gram of magnesium divided by 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23. So that is, it remains this times 1 times this. Remember, everything is on a line, so you can write it down. You will see the way it is. So take note, it is a straight chain, no space. That's why I bring it here. So now 6.02 will cancel out, 10 raised to the power 23 will cancel out here, it remains 10. So what I have left is 10 times 24, or you press calculator. That is 24 grams of magnesium. 240 grams, 10 times 24, so 240 grams of magnesium atom. So that is the answer. So the correct option is A, 240. So take note of this step. Always start with what you have. From what you have, you will achieve your aim. Watch my video on more concepts, so I've explained this in details. So the next one, that means the answer here is A. So number 20, an element S with relative atomic mass 16.2 contains two isotopes 16x with relative abundance of 19 and M with relative abundance of 10. What is the value of M? So generally, know that average mass is equals to M1 times A plus M2 times B plus, as in continue like that. Now what is M? M is the mass number of the isotope. What is A? A is the percentage of M1. So M2 is the mass of isotope 2, while B is the percentage of the isotope. Now according to this question, the average is given. An element H with relative atomic mass of 16.2. So the average mass is given 16.2 is equals to M1, that is mass of isotope 1. This is 16. So our mass of isotope 2 is M. Take note. That means M1. Let me write it here. So that means M1 is equals to 16. M2 is equals to M. So that is what we are going to use. And the average is 16.2. So that means 16 times, what is the percentage? So percentage of the first one is 90. So that is 90%. That is 90 over 100 plus M2 is M times the percentage is 10%. So that is 10 over 100. So this is 16.2 is equals to 16 times 0.9 plus M times 0.1. So 90 over 100 is 0.9. 10 over 100 is 0.1. So 16.2 is equals to 16 times 0.9. That is 14.4 plus 0.1 M. So now collect like terms. 0.1 M is equals 16.2 minus 14.4. So that is, take this one to the other side. Now 0.1 M is equals to 16.2 minus 14.4. So that is 1.8. So M is equals to 1.8 divided by 0.1. Therefore M is equals to 18. So that is the value of M. So the correct answer is C. Like that.